Bonjour, this is Learn French with Frida. Bienvenue. Today we are going to learn about drinks in French. We call them les boissons. Répétez après moi, les boissons. Très bien. Les boissons, as we have said, are drinks. We have so many drinks in the world. But today we are going to learn about 11 of them. And then we will form sentences using the verb boire, which means to drink. Bienvenue. Before we start our lesson today, let's look at some articles that we call les articles partitifs. Earlier in our lessons, we said that every French noun has a gender. It's either feminine or masculine. So in this case, drinks are nouns, so they also have a gender. But because they are not countable nouns, we use les articles partitifs. We don't use definite articles, we don't use indefinite articles with drinks. We only use les articles partitifs. These ones are do, la. Do, la is the feminine article. Then we have du. Du is formed from do, lo. So du is the masculine article. Then we have do, l. Do, l is the article used before nouns that start with a vowel. And the last one is de. De is do, le. That means it's the plural article, de. So these are the articles we are going to use as we learn about drinks today. Let's go through them one more time. Do, la, du, do, l, de. Correct. Now let's start with les boissons. The first one is water. Water in French is eau. Eau. So with the article, it will be de l'eau. De l'eau. That is like saying some water because water is not countable. The second one is juice. Juice in French is jus. Jus. And with the article, it will be du jus. Some juice. Du jus. If it's orange juice, it will be du jus d'orange. Du jus d'orange. That do there to mean of, juice of orange. If it's apple juice, du jus de pomme. Du jus de pomme. What if it's fruit juice? Du jus de fruits. Du jus de fruits. So you start with du jus and then of something. All right, let's proceed. The third one is lemonade. Lemonade in French is limonade. Limonade. And with the article, it will be de la limonade. De la limonade. To mean some lemonade. Soda in French is soda, just soda. And with the article, it will be du soda, some soda. The next one is yogurt. Yogurt in French is yacht. Yacht. And with the article, it will be du yacht. Some yogurt, du yacht. I hope you're repeating after me so that you're able to master the pronunciation of those words. We will have a moment of recap so that you can also have a chance to repeat after me. The next one is coffee. Coffee in French is café. Café. And with the article, it will be du café. du café, some coffee. Is it masculine? Yes, coffee is masculine. Let's move on. The next one is tea. Tea in French is thé. Thé. And with the article du thé. Du thé to mean some tea. Yes. The next one is milk. Milk in French is lait. Lait. And with the article, it will be du lait. Du lait to mean some milk. Let's go to drinking chocolate. Drinking chocolate is still chocolat. Chocolat. And with the article, it will be du chocolat, some chocolate. The next one is wine. Wine is vin. Vin, because IN is pronounced as un. Vin. And with the article, it will be du vin. Du vin to mean some wine. And the last one for today is beer. Beer in French is bière. Bière. That accent there helps us to read it as air. Bière. With the article, it will be de la bière to mean some beer. Let's go through them one more time. Please remember to repeat after me as we do this recap. Some water will be de l'eau. De l'eau. Some juice will be du jus. Du jus. Some lemonade will be de la limonade. Some soda, du soda. Du soda. Some yogurt, du yacht. Du yacht. Some coffee, du café. Du café. Some tea, du thé. Du thé. Some milk, du lait. Du lait. Some drinking chocolate, du chocolat. Du chocolat. Some wine, du vin. Du vin. And some beer, de la bière. De la bière. If you are able to repeat after me, clap for yourself. Well done. Now let's go to the next section where we will be forming sentences using the verb boire. How do we conjugate the verb boire in present tense? There we go. Je bois, tu bois, il ou elle ou on boit. Nous buvons, vous buvez, il ou elle boivent. Let's do that one more time. Je bois, tu bois, il ou elle ou on boit, nous buvons, tu buvais, il ou elle boivent. So that's the conjugation of the verb boire in present tense. And that is the verb we are going to use as we form sentences using this boissons that we have learned about today. Let's start. Our first sentence is, I would like to drink some milk. I would like to drink some milk. That will be, je voudrais boire du lait. Je voudrais boire du lait. Our second example will be, I drink water. I drink water. That will be, je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. Our third example is she drinks lemonade. She drinks lemonade. That will be elle boit de la limonade. Elle boit de la limonade. Our fourth example is he likes drinking tea. He likes drinking tea. That sentence will be il aime boire du thé. Il aime boire du thé. We conjugated the first verb, aimer, to like, and then boire remains just as it is. Because in French, you conjugate the first verb and then the other verbs remain as they are. That's why we have il aime boire du thé. And our fifth example is do you drink wine? Do you drink wine? It's a question. So that question will be bois-tu du vin? Bois-tu du vin? Do you drink wine? So we have interchanged the tu and the bois. And then in between, there is a hyphen. Bois-tu du vin? If it's yes, I drink wine, that will be oui, je bois du vin. Oui, je bois du vin. If it's no, non, je ne bois pas de vin. Non, je ne bois pas du vin. No, I don't drink wine. And then you can say what you drink. For example, you can say, je bois du lait. Non, je ne bois pas du vin. Je bois du lait. I drink milk. Those are the 5 examples that we have. Did you understand how we were translating those sentences? If you have 2 verbs in the same sentence, remember to conjugate only the first one. And then the second one and any other that comes afterwards will remain as it is. So if you didn't understand or if you actually understood, let me know in the comment section below so I'll see how to help you. I have some homework for you. Translate these sentences to French. They are just simple sentences in present tense using the verb boire and the drinks that we have just learned about. Here they are. The first one is, my dad drinks soda every day. My dad drinks soda every day. How will that be in French? The second sentence is, my cat drinks milk. My cat drinks milk. The third one is, I like drinking chocolate. I like drinking chocolate. And the fourth sentence is, Jolie drinks apple juice. Jolie drinks apple juice. And finally, do you like yogurt? Do you like yogurt? Remember that sentence doesn't have the verb to drink. Do you like yogurt? Those are the 5 sentences that you're going to translate. Write them down in your book. Take a nice picture of the answers and send them to me, either on the comment section below or on my email, frenchwithfrida@gmail.com. I will be very glad to receive your work, to mark for you and to give you some feedback. So let's go. Do that when you're offline, of course, after this video. And remember to send the work to me so that I can mark for you. Thank you for joining me today as I was teaching you about les boissons. These are drinks in French. How did you find the lesson today? Let me know in the comment section below. This is Learn French with Frida. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet done so. Like this video and share it widely with your network so that other people can also learn some French. Over for now. See you in the next video.